Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation to the gestures and the other way around. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on gestures and tap on navigation mode, which is the second option. And as you can see here, we've got 2 different options. So let me focus first of all on the 3 buttons navigation. So if you've got the gestures, you want to set the buttons, simply tap on the second option and your device will immediately show you the 3 button navigation. We can customize them just by tapping on this on the settings icon, and here we've got the option hold home for assistant, so we can decide whether you want to use this option or not, and we can open navigation bar settings, and here we can reorder back button and the resend, so it depends which configuration is more comfortable for you. Just tap on the specific option, for example this one. So this is how to use the 3 button navigation. Obviously this is the back button, so it will just bring you back to the previous page. Here you can enter home page immediately and directly, and thanks to the square icon you can open the resends. This is how it works. So now if you've got the 3 button navigation, you want to set the gestures, just tap on the gesture navigation, and instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for a specific gesture. We can again customize it, so just go to the settings here and you can hide this gesture navigation bar. So if you're not the biggest fan of this line at the bottom, you can hide it, no worries. Here you can swipe to invoke assistant. Again, it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. And we've got back sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity here to be higher or lower. It depends whether you're playing games or wearing, I don't know, a different case on that phone. I'm not sure if it is possible, but you know what I mean. Highly recommend to come back here. Alright, so now in order to get back to the previous page, simply swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, simply release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you wish to come back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, but make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the resend, so repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that, and here we've got the resends. Moreover, after swiping your finger at the bottom of the screen, from the left to the right and right to the left, you can switch between apps quickly, like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.